To uncrate the evacuation cart, please follow these steps. 1. Snip the band straps that hold the crate together. 2. Remove the crate top first, then the longer sides, and finally the shorter sides. Save for reuse if necessary. 3. Snip the band straps holding the cart to the 2x4 supports on the pallet base. 4. Unscrew one or both of the long 2x4s holding the cart in position on the pallet base. A T25 screw bit is required. 5. The cart is now ready to be lifted off the pallet base and set on the floor. If you only remove one of the 2x4s and are using a forklift to lift the cart, be careful not to hook the forks under the second 2x4. Assembly of hose hanger mast to cart. The hose mast comes disassembled and is included in the shipping crate. It must be assembled after unpacking. Please follow these steps. 1. Unpackage the mast components from their protective wrap. 2. Assemble the hose hangers to the mast using the included socket head screws. 3. There are 2 mast securing plates with 2 clamp bolts securing them to the left front aluminum extrusion vertical leg of the cart frame. The plates are in the down or shipping position for transport. 4. Position the mast to orient the hangers as desired. Once that is complete, slide the mast securing plates upward, aligning the clamp bolt nuts with the slots in the mast extrusion. The mast securing plates should be positioned so that half is clamped to the cart frame leg and the other half is clamped to the mast. Assembly of and stack light to cart. The and stack light comes pre-wired from the factory, but the bolts and nylock wing nuts securing the light in the upright position have been removed, and the light is laid down on top of the cart top work surface for shipping. It must be assembled after unpacking from the shipping crate. Please follow these steps to reassemble. 1. Loosen the socket head clamp bolts securing the red color left side plate in the up position. Then slide the side plate down to gain access to the underside of the top work surface plate. 2. Unwrap the protective packaging from the stack light and set it vertically, being careful not to tug on wires. The top plate has 4 holes that line up with the holes in the stack light. 3. Remove the 4 stainless steel screws and nylock wing nuts from the small plastic bag that is in the white box. Then insert screws from the top and secure the light in place with the wing nuts. Do not over-tighten, or you could crack the plastic top plate. 4. Slide the side panel back up to its operating position and tighten the socket head screws. That concludes the unpacking and initial setup section of the EvacMax evacuation cart user manual.